Hello children. Today we're going to start the new chapter Freedom Fighters. Freedom fighters means those who were fight for freedom. So at first we discuss about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, participated in the freedom struggle and created awareness about our social responsibilities. He studied law and practiced for some time before going to work in South Africa. His experience with racial discrimination and inequality, which made him realize about the social injustice. His campaign became stronger when he urged all the Indians in South Africa to use non-violent method of revolt. When they were asked to register themselves as part of a new South African government policy. In the year 1915, Gandhiji returned to India and began his efforts for the upliftment of the poor farmers. His weapons for resistance were non-cooperation, truth and non-violence. His Swadeshi movement urged people to give up all foreign goods and use indigenous products. He encouraged people to wear khadi instead of the cloths which made in foreign mills. He led the historic Dandi March from Ahmedabad to Dandi, revolting against the high taxes imposed on the manufacturers of salt. The Quit India Movement. The Quit India Movement was the turning point in the independence struggle. His war cry was "Do or die" in the quest for the freedom. That is popularly known as "Karenge ya marenge." Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse in the year 1948. Next, we will discuss about Lala Lajpat Ray. Lala Lajpat Ray was popularly known as Punjab Keshari. Lalaji was against the partition of Bengal. He was in Britain when the First World War broke out. Then he moved to America and returned to India in the year 1920. He opposed Simon Commission, which did not include any Indian members. It was during a peaceful protest march opposing the Simon Commission that Lalaji fell prey to the lathi charge by the British police. He died in the year 1928. Next, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born to a Sanskrit scholar. He was one of the first few people in India to get a college education. He established the Deccan Education Society, which aimed to provide young Indians ideas of nationalism. His patriotic ideas were also based on religion and Indian culture. He was arrested many times on charge of writing revolutionary articles in his newspaper Keshari. After his release in the year 1914, he tried to bring Swaraj. He travelled from place to place motivating people to join in the fight for Swaraj. He continued his crusade till his death in the year 1920. Next, Bipin Chandra Pal. He was not an activist in his early life. He worked as librarian in Calcutta. He was a good orator who used his pen as his weapon to fight for freedom. He wrote several articles and speeches to spread his message across to the people. He joined the Indian National Congress. He worked towards spreading the awareness not only about the nationalism but also about the social conditions and humanity. He took active part in the revolts against the partition of Bengal and the non-cooperation movement and Swadeshi movement. He continued to write many books and journals. He fought for Indians' freedom and worked towards improving social condition till his death in the year 1932. Okay, so here I close the chapter for today. The rest of the part we will discuss in next class, and all of you go through the details properly. Thank you. Have a good day.